Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this morning's edition of This Fucking Sucks. So I basically sent in a luxe item to ThredUP, a pair of Alaya Paris sandals. And I don't know if you guys know the brand. It's like a high-end luxury brand like Jimmy Choo's. Like it's up there. And so they misbranded the item. They put them under Ellen White's shoes. And so they listed them for $25. And so I sent an email right away saying, hey, this is like the wrong brand. Can you make sure to change it to Alaya Paris? And they sent an email back the next day saying, oh, sorry, we won't be able to get to this for another week or two. And then I'm like, okay, well, this fucking sucks. So I had asked them, can you just make this unavailable so nobody can buy them? And they didn't really reply back, but they did just mark it unavailable. So the shitty thing about this is that I'm constantly checking my ThredUP account to see whether or not if they made any of the changes, because they're not going to notify me that the changes were made. And two, they're only changing the brand. They're not changing the listing price. So theoretically, somebody can go on the platform, look for shoes, Alaya Paris shoes, and see them for $25 and snag them right away. And there's nothing I can do about it. And so this is why Poshmark reigns supreme, is because like if something like this happens on my own listing, I can cancel it and then relist, or I have the item, I don't have to send it to them. But since I don't have the item in my hands or in my possession, there's not really anything I can do about it. It is what it is, and you know, it just fucking sucks. But for you guys, this is some additional info for you guys if you guys are thinking about doing ThredUP, or if you have ThredUP issues, make sure to put them down in the comments below. I want to hear all of your guys' stories. Also, if you're a pusher, sound off. Let me know your closet, what stuff you sell in your closet down below. This is free advertising on this particular post. So go ahead and share your closet, what's in your closet, what you're selling. And and let me know the struggles, what struggles that you guys have on every platform. Mercari, Poshmark, eBay. I mean, I've had some eBay stories that I'm gonna share with you. Oh my God. But anyway, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for your love, sis. Throw me a bone, tag a PFF, tag a friend that needs to hear some of this shit, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. See you next episode.